in here there are so many choices. So you could take yourself to a lovely rotation through the spine, followed by happy baby or plow. So time constraints. So for me, I'm going to take a plow, tucking the toes. If you find that your feet don't meet the ground, do not worry. Mine didn't for a very long time. Use your blocks, perhaps. So you can support your back, take your hands long, whatever you prefer. Remain as you wish, or otherwise you can play with this. Legs can come up. Switch them. Take your shoulders then. For as long as you wish to. Bend the knees. Take down. Arms can go like train tracks. I'll roll you down. Beautiful stretch throughout the entire spine. Tuck in. Feel the heartbeats. Right knee stays in, left leg goes long. Take the knee over. Open up the arms, chest. The gaze is in the opposite way to your knee. You're ready. Knee tucks in, roll on to your spine. Both knees meet in. That's like a reset for the lower back. Any little movements that can be created. So go with your instincts as you move. Obviously, if you did one side on a rotation there, do the other. So this way the left leg tucks in, the right goes long. And again, that lovely roll of the hip off the ground to the side. Support the knee. Encourage the shoulder to stay to the ground and support the knee. The gaze again is in the opposite way to your knee. Breathe through your ribs. Notice where you're holding the tension and release. When you're ready, the knees come in again. Reset button. So maybe some tinier movements. Great. If you feel you need any more hip stretches, happy baby is a lovely one here. It could be that you feel that you are ready now just to come to lie. So when you lie on your mat, think about the width of your feet no wider than your mat. Let the feet flop out. Feel that sense of symmetry in your body. So adjust yourself, palms are to the sky, knuckles to the ground. And that feeling of soaking up the energy around you and just lying within the beat and the movement of your body. Scan to see where you might be holding tension. I will be putting on a yoga nidra to relax to as well. It's in my plans. And if you feel like you need to loosen off anywhere, then maybe it could be that you roll your head from side to side. Just a few times, come to rest and be.